In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I'm really leaning towards trading more confidently on my live account. It's a small account, but I'm looking at growing it. You can learn more about that on my playlist, growing 25K to 50K. But something I recognized yesterday, I took the same trade on futures gold as I did Forex on my live account. So with futures, I'm trading on my prop account. With Forex, I'm trading on my live account. So they trade alongside each other almost identically, but last night I went to sleep. It was a swing trade, and where I had my stop placed on my prop account was a little off compared to my live account because I'm sticking to like a 200 strict risk amount that I can lose on a prop account, but on my live account, I can be more dynamic with my risk. So I woke up being stopped out on my futures prop account and take profit hit on my live account. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So as you can see over here yesterday during pre-market, I had marked up MGC and XAUSD, and I was bullish. My bias was bullish. And I took the same trade on the break of these upward trend lines. But what happened, and what I want to talk about, is my risk management was a little off on this trade because I placed my stop loss a little bit above the previous month high, only because I do not allow myself to risk more than $200. So I wasn't really necessarily placing the stop loss based off structure, and I kind of knew better when I did it, but I did it anyway. But on my live account, I had placed it below, and I woke up, as you can see, I entered here on the break of this trend line. It was a little rough at first, but I was sleeping, so I didn't know. And I woke up to my take profit hit, and I woke up to my other trade being taken out by the stop loss. So having this happen, and I'll show you a better view of the stop loss. I hate that TradeZella says I did not input a stop loss right here. That's like a glitch because I did. But you can see that here, I indeed had my stop right here, and looking back I just feel stupid because this just looks dumb. Like, it needed to be lower, so it kind of deserved to get stopped out. So I have been struggling with that, just as a struggling trader trying to figure out what do I want to do when it comes to prop trading and live trading. I've been trading props for quite some time now, and I'm still trying to reach a payout, but I really feel like my trading is better live. Like, I have a more dynamic risk tolerance whenever I'm on my live account, and I just need to build it up. Right now it's so small. I'll show you. You can see here that I have taken, the last trades are small, but I'm trading well. I upped my risk a little bit on this last trade to 5%. I trade on my live account between 1 and 5%. And as my capital grows, especially as I reach my target to 25,000, and I'm leveraging the 50K, the match bonus, I'm gonna have 1 to 2% once it gets up there. But for now, when it's like a smaller account, I had been giving myself a little bit more to work with. But I have just got to the point where I'm very eager to just trade live capital, put a little bit more focus on my A+ setups with my live trading. And I'm not gonna give up on the prop firms. I want to do both. I want to reach my breakthrough where I'm dialed in with my risk management and my instruments make, not my instruments, but my risk makes more sense. So on that trade where I showed you that there was not a very good placement on the stop loss, what I should have done and what I'm gonna do moving forward is I should have said, okay, with $200 worth of risk, it doesn't allow me to set the stop loss in a place that makes sense. So I should have just skipped on this trade on the prop firm and only traded the live account. So I want to be more mindful moving forward of like, you don't have to take both. Like if it's not working out on the prop with your risk parameters, then skip it. You know, I've already passed the evals. I'm just trying to get to payout. Story of my life. For some reason, I can pass an eval all day. Try to get me to a payout and I choke. So I am really eager in 2026 to build up my live account and just have more confidence trading live. And I wanted to share this openly. It's kind of embarrassing when you look back at your trade and you're like, what were you doing? That you shouldn't even have taken that. But it is what it is. If you want to follow my journey, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.